Welcome to the channel. My name is Austin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to control the level of brightness of an LED using a potentiometer. So to get started, we need a 5 volts power supply or an Arduino. We need an LED, a 220 ohm resistor, a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, jumper wires, and a breadboard. We are using Proteus to design and simulate a circuit which controls the level of brightness of an LED using a potentiometer. And the components we are using are a 220 ohm resistor, a blue LED, a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, and a 5 volts battery as our power supply. The resistor basically restricts the flow of current to the LED, and this prevents it from burning due to high current. A potentiometer is a variable resistor which contains 3 pins, the right pin, center pin, and the left pin. Moving the center pin in the left direction or right direction changes the total resistance of the potentiometer, and this is what controls the level of brightness of the LED. And the battery will power our circuit. So let's start the connections. We start by connecting the positive terminal of the battery to the left pin of the potentiometer, and then we connect the center pin to the resistor, and then we connect the resistor to the positive terminal of the LED. Moving on, we connect the negative terminal of the LED to ground, and then we connect the right pin of the potentiometer to ground. Finally, we connect the negative terminal of the battery to ground. So this is our basic circuit. So let's run through it briefly. So positive terminal of the battery is connected to the left pin of the potentiometer. The center pin of the potentiometer is connected to the free end of the resistor, and the resistor is connected to the positive terminal of the LED. Negative terminal of the LED is connected to ground. Right pin of the potentiometer is connected to ground, and the negative terminal of the battery is also connected to ground. So they form a common ground. So let's run our simulation. Alright, so moving the center pin to the left, as you can see, moving it to the left, the LED starts to brighten up, like it gradually brightens. And then finally it brightens. Then moving it to the right hand side, it starts to dim slowly until it goes off. So this is the circuit we have designed, and we're also going to connect it physically. As you can see, this is our physical circuit. The blue wire is the 5 volts pin from the power supply or the Arduino, and it's connected to the right side of the potentiometer. And the center pin is connected to the resistor, which is connected to the positive terminal of the LED. The negative terminal of the LED is connected to the black jumper wire, which is connected to the right pin of the potentiometer. And the right pin of the potentiometer is connected to the GND of the power supply. So that's our physical circuit, as you can see, and we are going to test how it works. Turning the potentiometer counterclockwise gradually turns on the LED, and turning the potentiometer clockwise gradually turns off the LED. So that's how our circuit works, and it controls the level of brightness of the LED. So moving on to get a better angle, this is how the same circuit works. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.